Alright, so here we want to show two more icons. One is for showing the date, and for that we need to use our date formatting, and for that we can use this library called day.js. So npm day.js, we can use that. Previously Moment was quite a popular library for working with the date and time in JavaScript, but now this one is quite popular, and this one is lightweight as well, you can see. So let me just install this one. Let's go to a React app, and I think I have to just comment this out, this console. This one. Okay, so let's stop this one. Let's paste. While it's happening, let me try to find this one so that I can comment that out. That one must be from, where could that from? When it is created, we get the response, probably from the create post. So let's go to screens, post link, console log. Just comment that out. Okay, so it's been installed. Now let's run it back again. All right, let me close that. Let me go back to our icon set. So here, let me import that first. Import day.js from day.js, and this day.js, it has this plugin which we also need, and that is called relative time. Okay, so let's import that as well, relative time from day.js plugin. And then we want to show the icon, so that one we can put it in the beginning, then we can put it there. Next one, let me copy this one, the one we used to show the view count. So let me copy that and put that. You know what, I think it's better to put it in the beginning, this long tunnel, cut from here, and then just put others just after this one. Okay, so let's leave that here. We're going to remove this this manual positioning, and then we're just going to use Flexbox. For the moment, let me just give 200 just so that we can see on the screen. But we're going to change this one. Let me just reload the screen. So here I want to show another icon for showing the date, so I can use that one. Let's call that, you can see this one is appearing here. We can call it clock. Okay, so clock, we want to show the date, and for that we're going to use that day.js. So here, now let's use day.js, and we give the created date, so the link created at, and then we use from now. This will give nice readable date format. From now is not a function. Okay, so from now looks like day.js don't have. Moment, I know they had. This one we can use format, so we can choose the format. So let's choose the format of day, month, and year. Okay, so day, month, year. Okay, so that way you can see double digits. You see that now if you give 4 digits, then it will come 2022. So you can see. Okay, but we want to keep it short, so let's leave it like that. Okay, so that's for the date. in the next one we want to show the users icon as well. So let me copy. Let's create one more icon, then we're going to fix the positioning here. Let me just give 300 for now, just so that we can see here. But we're going to change this to use Flexbox. So the next one we use user. So we got the user. So the user's name we want to show, and that is we can access from link dot posted by dot name. Link posted by, so posted by will be just the user's ID by default. All right, unless we use populate, we get just the ID, so probably that's why we can't access the name. If I just leave it like that, you can see the user's ID is there. So let's quickly go to the backend and fix this up. So that is for all the links. So let me quickly go to server, controllers, link. Let's go on top. All the links we are returning, you can see all the links we find sort. And before we even sort, let's use dot populate. Okay, so we want to populate this field posted by. If you do that, the user's information, all the information will also be sent along with the links. Now you might want to select few things because you don't want to send everything about the user, which might include the hashed password as well. So you just want to send probably the user's ID and name. So you can choose what fields to send without any comma. You can see as a second argument to populate. Okay, so the reason you could use populate to populate the information based on the ID is because in your model, in your link model, you had this property posted by. It is the type object ID and it refers to the user model. So if you have written your schema, your model like this, then you will be able to use populate. Okay, so with this one, let's come here and reload, and we should be able to access the users, the posted by users information such as name. You can see here, beautiful. Okay, so it's all looking good. We got all these 4 icons we needed. Now let's align them instead of manually just using this value. So let's remove the right value from all these icons. Remove that, and I can actually remove the top as well. So let's remove that top, right. Actually we can remove everything from the style object except our center. We want to center the icons and the text. You can see icon and the text, you want to do that. So style, text, align, center. So let's use that. Okay, so let's use that, and everything else we don't need. So let's replace that here. Okay, let's replace that here. And for touchable opacity also, we just want this style, nothing else. Replace that with style, and same here. Awesome. Okay, so it is all, it's out of place. So let's use the flex styling. So we can put everything, the show icons, instead of fragment, let's use view, so that we can apply the styling. Sorry, not here, yeah. Alright, so let's apply some styling here. Style. So you want to use the flexbox. So flex direction row. Okay, so immediately they are appearing as a row. By default it was column. So row, that's good. Next one, you want to put them on top of the card, right? So top minus 180. Okay, so it's just about right at position. Next one is flex direction we already used. Align items, center, justify content, space between, so this will space out nicely, you can see, beautiful. And then you want to have a bit of a space here, the left and the right, so margin right you want 20 maybe, and then margin left 20. Beautiful. Now you can see here they're nicely spaced out, beautiful space. They still not centered, so let me just double check. The date text align, sorry, it's not text align, it should be align items. So let me just use find. Where is that find? So let me search for find. So that is under edit, find. I normally use command F, but I wanted to show you. So here I want to change that to align items. Okay, now that's better, it's all aligned, centered, beautiful. So as you can see, our content has been pushed down. Let's fix that up. Let's go to preview card. We have the icon set. Just on top of the icon set, we want to apply some margin bottom negative value. So let's use view, and we don't want to put anything here. We just want, actually we should just wrap our icon set with the view, and then we apply some negative margin. So style margin bottom we give minus 40. Okay, so that's about right. That's nice.